So, what is the principle of rainbow, or what is the reason behind the rainbow? Anyone?
So please show the last slide.
Last slide. This.
The dispersion may
Yes.
dispersion.
Dispersion is the main reason for rainbow. Nothing else.
Answer total internal reflection.
No, this is totally wrong. This is not a total internal reflection, dear. अगर रेनबो में टोटल
The
इंटरनल
scattering of light.
या ओके, मैं क्लियर करता हूँ आपकी बात को. टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, नॉट द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ, नॉट रीजन बिहाइंड द रेनबो. बिकॉज अगर टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द रेनबो, देन जो रेनबो ड्रॉप है, दिस इज सीम लाइक अ पर्ल, मोती की तरह दिखती हुआ आपको, लाइक अ पर्ल. बिकॉज टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स क्या होता है? टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन मीन्स द रे ऑफ लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन द बॉडी. वो बॉडी के अंदर ही ट्रेवल करती रहती है.
Okay.
It means the brilliance of the drop. That is not the total internal reflection. That is the internal reflection only,
हाँ, internal reflection.
not
Sorry.
total. Total का मतलब होता है there is no loss of light, and the raindrop is just like a pearl, solid sphere like. Okay. Now for rainbow there are two types of rainbow, and three types of three types of conditions of the rainbow. The first type of rainbow is primary rainbow, and the second one is secondary rainbow. So if we are talking about the primary rainbow, then in primary rainbow, this is the water droplet and this is the sunlight. So sunlight incident at the spherical surface, this is the spherical surface. So at the normal, this is the normal from the center of curvature C and the radius, and at the normal, what is this? ये क्या होगा यहाँ पे? This is refraction. Refraction with dispersion. Okay, refraction. यहाँ से इंसिडेंट होने के बाद the ray of light, this is the medium, rarer medium N1, and the medium N2 is a denser medium. So after incident at a spherical surface, the ray of light travel in the denser medium and incident at the second spherical surface of the water droplet. At the second spherical surface of the water droplet, there is the condition. What is that? That is reflection. What type of reflection this is? This is internal reflection, not total internal reflection and not reflection. This is the internal reflection. And after the internal reflection, again it touches the first surface, and after that first surface, what is there? That is refraction. So three type process for primary rainbow: refraction, internal reflection, refraction, and with the refraction there is dispersion also, and in case of refraction there is dispersion also. So dispersion means if a white light insert or incident at a spherical surface of water droplet, then there is dispersion also. Dispersion means यहाँ पे क्या होगा? ये एक स्पेक्ट्रम बनेगा like this. इंसिडेंट रे स्पेक्ट्रम बनेगा मीन्स क्या होगा? मैं इसे दो लाइट पे बता रहा हूँ. जो ज़्यादा बैंड होगी दैट इज रेड, एंड जो कम बैंड होगी जो ज़्यादा बैंड होगी दैट इज वायलेट, और जो कम बैंड होगी दैट इज रेड. ओके, दिस इज अ वायलेट, दिस इज रेड. Again this is violet light and this is red light. So violet light like this and this is red. So angle between the white light to the violet light is near about 40, and to the red is near about 42 degree. This is the water droplet. And if we are talking about the primary rainbow, then this is the first water droplet, this is the second water droplet. If sunlight, or we can say the white light incident at a spherical surface, incident at a spherical surface of the two droplets. I need some more space to describe this. This is the first water droplet and this is the second water droplet. if a ray of light incident, then what process is this? First process. What is the first process of the white light to the spherical surface? पहली process क्या होगी? Refraction with dispersion.
Dispersion.
Okay, so this is refraction with dispersion. The second one is
Internal reflection.
internal reflection. Same यहाँ पे होगा internal reflection. अब यहाँ पे third one is refraction with dispersion. Now tell me, there are two types of there are 7 types of light, or we can say that there is a spectrum. So red is on the upper side and violet is on the lower side, because violet is less much higher band and more band, and red is low band. जो रेड लाइट होती है वो कम बैंड होती है, और जो वायलेट होती है वो ज़्यादा बैंड होती है. ओके, यस,
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो मैं यहाँ पे एट प्रोसेस 3 विच इज द रिफ्रैक्शन प्रोसेस विद डिस्पर्सन, मैं यहाँ पे 2 लाइट बता रहा हूँ. टेल मी विच इज द रेड एंड विच इज द वाइट. फर्स्ट वन इज दैट एंड द सेकंड वन इज दिस.
So first one is violet.
वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट वन इज वॉलेट एंड द सेकंड वन इज
Red.
red. Very good. Red and violet. Now I'm talking about the second water droplet. Second water droplet के अंदर मुझे बताओ which one is the violet and which one is the red. First one is that and second one is that.
First one is red and second one is violet.
No, first one is violet and second one is red. This is violet ना, because violet
Oh, हाँ.
वॉयलेट जो होती है उसका एंगल 40 डिग्री होता है, और जो रेड होती है उसका एंगल 42 डिग्री होता है. वॉयलेट का एंगल. सो दिस इज ह्यूमन आई एंड हेंस वी कैन सी द रेनबो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वॉयलेट टू रेड. अब समझ में आया हमें रेनबो वॉयलेट टू रेड क्यों दिखता है? दिस इज द रीजन. विबग्योर. एंड दिस इज द यस.
Basically, in rainbow there are 3 processes.
Yeah, primary rainbow is 3 processes and secondary rainbow is 4 processes. What is the secondary rainbow? Secondary rainbow is really to see, मतलब बहुत ही rare हम देख सकते हैं. Secondary rainbow is you can see that if you see the rainbow in Vibgyor pattern, then after the primary rainbow there is a secondary rainbow with a डल शार्पनेस. उसकी शार्प बहुत डल होता है वो, और उसका
Less intensity.
हाँ लेस इंटेंस होता है, और उसका जो पैटर्न होता है